Every day, over 5,000 young people worldwide fall victim to sextortion scams. This growing crisis is fueled by detailed sextortion manuals circulating freely on platforms like Telegram and YouTube. These step-by-step guides teach criminals how to exploit innocent people for money, equipping them with strategies to manipulate, intimidate, and control their victims. Sextortion is not random. It's a calculated system where offenders leverage knowledge to bypass defenses and cause serious emotional harm, making these scams more common and more dangerous. The rise of sextortion guides on Telegram, TikTok, and YouTube. Sextortion guides have spread widely on social platforms, especially Telegram, TikTok, and YouTube. These step-by-step tutorials explain how to create fake accounts, target individuals, and coerce them into sharing explicit material. With their global reach and easy-to-share formats, these platforms have become breeding grounds for cybercriminal activity. Inside the sextortion manuals, methods and tactics. The sextortion playbooks uncovered on Telegram and YouTube are shockingly thorough. One 80-page guide included instructions on creating fake profiles that look legitimate, using targeted language to manipulate emotions and insecurities, issuing threats in ways that maximize fear and compliance, extracting money while keeping victims trapped in silence. These tactics are highly sophisticated, relying on a strong understanding of human behavior. For example, one manual bragged about exploiting 5,000 victims over 7 years. Learning how these scams operate is critical. Awareness can help people spot red flags before they become victims themselves. Have you ever noticed suspicious content on social media? Share your story in the comments to help protect others. Your input could make a real difference in strengthening community defenses against these threats. Understanding the threat: financial versus content sextortion. Financial sextortion. Origins. Often traced to Nigeria, Ivory Coast, and Southeast Asia, regions with limited regulation and a high demand for quick financial gain. Targets: primarily men, chosen because they are less likely to report the crime. Method: carried out by organized groups with major financial and tech resources, making it difficult for victims to escape once trapped. Content sextortion. Origins. Frequently, local operations make them appear less threatening at first. Targets: largely women as perpetrators, exploit gender dynamics to maintain control and enforce compliance. Method: driven by cold indifference, these criminals relentlessly pressure their victims, using manipulation and intimidation without regard for emotional damage. The role of social media in enabling sextortion. Weak verification processes on social media make it far too easy for scammers to operate. Problems include no required ID verification, unlimited accounts per IP address, letting scammers create dozens of fake profiles, minimal safeguards against fraudulent profiles. Even Telegram's CEO, Pavel Durov, faced questioning in Paris over claims that his platform's encrypted chats were helping scammers coordinate and operate unchecked. What to do if you are targeted by sextortion? Steps to take immediately. Do not block. Blocking can provoke the scammer into posting your content. Gather evidence. Save messages, screenshots, and usernames to build a case. Contact the police. Report to local cybercrime units or the FBI's IC3 for serious cases. Notify the platform. Report the account and content to the app or site. Seek support. Turn to organizations like the Cyber Civil Rights Initiative or local victim support groups. The Blackmail.HelpLine approach. At the Blackmail.HelpLine, we know how overwhelming these situations can be. Our specialists assist clients every day with tailored solutions and compassionate support. Using advanced IP-to-location ID tracking and state-of-the-art tools, we trace and identify offenders around the world. We work to ensure your content is removed from their possession and the internet. You'll also receive a full investigative report with evidence that can be used by law enforcement. With a decade of experience and a 95% success rate, we are here to help you regain your peace of mind. For immediate help, call 888-634-1234 1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com to connect with our experts. Conclusion: Sextortion is no longer isolated. It's backed by communities sharing knowledge and methods in plain sight. Staying alert and informed is essential. If you ever find yourself in this situation, remember that help is available 24/7. Call 888-634-1535 and let the Blackmail Helpline fight for your safety and peace of mind.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.